Hello, dear. Welcome to English Needs. Practice makes a man perfect. If you know how to frame WH questions, you need practice to achieve perfection. This video contains some examples for your practice. A simple sentence is given to you, some portion of it is underlined. You have to frame questions so as to get the underlined portion as answer. As this is an activity, you need a paper and a pencil. Pause the video here and bring a pen and paper. If you feel that you have not learned how to make the questions properly, then here is a link. Touch this strip and you will get the link of that video. Learn properly and sufficiently and then come back to this video. If you have already learned and if you need practice, then continue the video. This stranger has come from Punjab. The underlined portion is Punjab. Pause the video and try. Where has this stranger come from? This stranger came from Punjab. The only change is the tense. The underlined portion is Punjab. Pause the video and try. Where did the stranger come from? It took a week to arrange the meeting. Pause the video and try. How long did it take to arrange the meeting? He wanted his surroundings to be green. Pause the video and try. What did he want to be green? Same sentence again, but the underlined portion is different. Pause the video and try. How did he want his surroundings? He had grown the trees in memory of his ancestors. Pause the video and try. In whose memory had he grown the trees? Same sentence, but the underlined portion is different. Pause the video and try. What had he grown in memory of his ancestors? Similar sentence with a tense change. He grew, not he had grown. The underlined portion is the trees. Now pause the video and try. What did he grow in memory of his ancestors? The trees were grown for the children of next generation. The underlined portion is the children of the next generation. Pause the video and try. Who were the trees grown for? Or for whom were the trees grown? He wore the same faded cutaway. The underlined portion is the same faded cutaway. Pause the video and try. What did he wear? Water is composed of hydrogen and oxygen. The underlined portion is hydrogen and oxygen. Pause the video and try. What is water composed of? He has been cheating people for the last 6 years. The underlined portion is cheating. Pause the video and try. What has he been doing to the people for the last 6 years? Same sentence, but the underlined portion is changed. It is the last 6 years. Again, pause the video and try. How long has he been cheating people? Same sentence again, but the underlined portion is changed. It is only people. Pause the video and try. Who has he been cheating for the last 6 years? He is no one to order us. No one is underlined. Pause the video and try. Who is he to order you? It is my uncle's property. My uncle's is underlined. Pass and try. Whose property is it? She is different from me in age. In age is underlined. Pause the video and try. How is she different from you? People visit Amarnath cave during July and August. During July and August is underlined. Pause the video and try. When do people visit Amarnath cave? Amarnath cave remains open for about 50 days. For about 50 days is underlined. Pause the video and try. How long does Amarnath cave remain open? Same sentence, but the underlined portion is Amarnath cave. Pause the video and try. Which cave remains open for about 50 days? Or which cave does remain open for about 50 days? Both are grammatically correct. The second one is used for emphasis. If you feel it is a useful video, give a like and say something in the comment box.